I am Irene E. Gonzalez, a seasoned educator with 23 years of experience teaching science in high school. I hold my bachelor's degree at Southern Luzon State University with a bachelor in secondary education and my master's degree at Sandigan Colleges Incorporated with a master's in education, major in special education. Why do I want to apply as a J1 teacher? Well, the answer is simple. I have a passion for teaching and a desire to make a positive impact on the lives of my students. As a J1 teacher, I will have the opportunity to immerse myself in a new culture, learn from my students, and share my knowledge and experiences with them. I want to apply as a J1 teacher because I am passionate about education and believe that teaching is a fulfilling and impactful way to make a difference in the lives of others. I also see this opportunity as a chance to gain valuable experience in a new cultural setting, further develop my teaching skills, and broaden my horizons. Additionally, I am excited about the opportunity to immerse myself in a different community and learn from my students. This exchange of ideas and perspectives is invaluable and enriching for both parties involved. Not only will I be able to teach and learn from my students, but I will also have the chance to explore a new country, meet new people, and expand my horizons. The J1 program offers a unique opportunity for personal and professional growth, and I am eager to take advantage of it. I have heard nothing but positive feedback from former J1 teachers who have praised the program for its support, resources, and opportunities for growth. I am confident that as a J1 teacher, I will be able to make a meaningful impact on the lives of my students and continue to grow and develop as an educator. So why do I want to apply as a J1 teacher? Because I am passionate about teaching, eager to learn and grow, and excited to make a positive impact on the lives of others. I am ready to embrace this new opportunity and make the most of it. Thank you for considering my application.